This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the phone app and the contact ready. Open Phone Now and locate the person. Tap their name, then add to speed dial or the star icon so the number is pinned for quick access. Once done, confirm the assigned slot or label. Make sure it isn't a duplicate to avoid confusion. This step is fast. You're establishing the shortcut that saves time later, so pick the right contact and verify the number before moving on. Once the contact is added, open phone app settings and go to speed dial or shortcuts to assign it to a numeric key or a quick access slot. You can also add a speed dial widget to your home screen for one-tap calling, which is handy when you want visual access. Make sure contacts and caller ID permissions are allowed so the shortcuts work correctly. If you change carriers or SIM, recheck assignments. This keeps your shortcuts consistent, and to use speed dial, tap the entry or long press the assigned numeric key to call immediately. It's that simple. Maintain your list by editing or removing entries in speed dial settings whenever numbers change, and keep labels clear so you avoid mistakes. If a shortcut stops working, make sure contacts and phone permissions are enabled, then restart the phone app or the device. That usually fixes caching or permission glitches. If problems persist, reassign the slot and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.